I believe Bitcoin teaches us the importance of humility. It reminds us that we can't solve all the world's problems or address every challenge out there. Instead, it's crucial to focus on one key area. For me, that focus is on understanding digital money, digital capital, and Bitcoin itself. I'm committed to exploring how Bitcoin can be beneficial and impactful in the world. My approach now is to concentrate on this one aspect of what Bitcoin is, how it functions as digital capital, and how it can contribute positively to society. I stay informed about developments in this area and strive to communicate the value and potential of Bitcoin in a constructive manner. This focus has fundamentally changed how I view my role and mission. I realize that dedicating myself to this specific area allows me to make a meaningful impact rather than trying to tackle every problem. My mission now is clear: to understand and advocate for Bitcoin as a transformative force in digital finance and to share that understanding with others.
I think Bitcoin teaches an essential lesson in humility. It's a reminder that we can't solve all of the world's problems or tackle every challenge we face. Instead, it's crucial to recognize our limitations and focus on a specific area where we can make a difference. For me, that focus is on understanding digital money, digital capital, and Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin has helped me narrow my attention to one core mission, exploring what Bitcoin is, how it operates as a form of digital capital, and how it can be utilized to benefit the world. I have come to realize that by concentrating on this one area, I can contribute meaningfully to the broader conversation about digital finance. In practical terms, this means staying updated on Bitcoin's developments, understanding its potential impacts, and communicating its value constructively. It's about presenting Bitcoin's benefits and its role in transforming financial systems in a clear and impactful way. This shift in focus has significantly changed my perspective. Instead of trying to address every issue or solve all the problems out there, I have chosen to dedicate myself to this specific mission. By doing so, I believe I can make a more substantial impact. My mission now is to deepen my understanding of Bitcoin, advocate for its potential, and share that knowledge to help others see its transformative power. This focused approach allows me to contribute effectively to the evolving landscape of digital finance.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
The lowest point for me was probably during the crypto winter when Bitcoin's price dropped to $16,000. Despite the downturn, I didn't lose my optimism. I felt confident about Bitcoin's long-term potential. The real challenge was the sentiment around me. When people around me were losing confidence and struggling, it required more effort on my part to maintain morale and communicate effectively. In a bull market, when everything is going well, it's relatively easy to stay positive and make decisions. But during a bear market, like when Bitcoin was at $16,000, it's much harder. It demands more work and resilience to stay committed and to support others who might be wavering. Throughout that period, I continued to buy Bitcoin aggressively, maintaining my conviction despite the market conditions. There was never a moment when I doubted the fundamental value of Bitcoin. My focus was on staying informed, supporting others, and keeping a long-term perspective, even when the short-term environment was challenging.
The most challenging moment for me was during the crypto winter when Bitcoin's price fell to $16,000. That was definitely a low point in terms of market sentiment. Even though the price drop was significant, my own optimism and confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential remained intact. The real difficulty lay in dealing with the reactions and sentiments of those around me. When people were losing faith and struggling with their investments, it required extra effort to maintain morale and effectively communicate the reasons for staying committed. In a bull market, everything seems easier. Success breeds confidence, and it's straightforward to make decisions and advocate for Bitcoin when prices are rising. However, the true test comes during a bear market. At that point, When Bitcoin was trading at $16,000, it was much harder to stay positive and maintain conviction. It required more work, resilience, and a proactive approach to support not only myself but also others who were feeling the pressure and doubt. Throughout that period, I continued to buy Bitcoin aggressively, sticking to my belief in its value despite the challenging market conditions. There was never a time when I questioned Bitcoin's fundamental worth. My approach was to stay informed, keep a clear perspective on the long-term vision, and support others who were struggling with their confidence. This period reinforced my commitment to Bitcoin and highlighted the importance of perseverance and strong communication during tough times.
I believe we're witnessing a critical moment in the adoption of digital technologies. For instance, artificial intelligence, which took years to develop, really started showing its potential last year. We're possibly in the first or second year of the widespread adoption of digital money and digital intelligence. A key catalytic event for digital intelligence was the success of ChatGPT. Its rapid rise to 100 million users in a remarkably short time, in just a month, that marked a significant breakthrough. This was after decades of efforts and previous technologies that didn't quite hit the mark. Before ChatGPT, most AI applications like Siri or Alexa were limited to simple tasks such as managing playlists or answering basic questions. These early applications were useful but didn't fully showcase the transformative potential of AI. The rapid adoption and success of ChatGPT signal a new era in digital intelligence, similar to how digital money is evolving. Both are spreading rapidly and starting to make significant impacts across various sectors. As we move forward, these technologies are likely to continue advancing and influencing our lives in increasingly profound ways.
We're at a pivotal moment in the adoption of digital technologies, with significant progress happening in both digital money and digital intelligence. For instance, artificial intelligence only recently began demonstrating its transformative potential. Although AI research has been ongoing for decades, it wasn't until last year that we saw a breakthrough in its practical applications. We might be in the first or second year of widespread adoption for digital money, and similarly, the adoption of digital intelligence is gaining momentum. A major turning point for digital intelligence was the success of ChatGPT. This technology went from having 0 users to reaching 100 million users in a remarkably short period, just a month. This rapid adoption marked a significant milestone, especially considering the long history of AI development that preceded it. For many years, AI applications like Siri and Alexa were limited to performing simple tasks, such as managing playlists or answering straightforward questions. These early technologies were useful but didn't fully showcase the broader potential of AI. The impressive growth of ChatGPT reflects a broader trend where digital intelligence is starting to make a substantial impact. Its success represents a major leap forward, similar to how digital money is evolving and becoming more integral to financial systems. As these technologies continue to advance, we can expect them to spread even more rapidly and profoundly influence various aspects of our lives and industries. In summary, while we are just beginning to scratch the surface of digital money and digital intelligence, the rapid progress and adoption we are witnessing suggests that these technologies are set to play increasingly important roles in our future.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.